Channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Monday afternoon. We're here in Walking Street, Fields Avenue, and we're just finished it here in Kimchi Restaurant. And right now we're going to Clark. And later we're gonna explain what we take some video right now.
Hi everyone, we're going to Clark, Shire already said, and we can explain about our new video, how I take a video in the future. And maybe someone like, or maybe not. That's why I need to know. We've been in the Kimchi restaurant. Traffic, even Monday traffic. Take a look, traffic here. So we not go to home now, we going to the Clark. And I want to see Shira, not go this way. And I want to see also and show to my subscribers Korean Mart, it's near Pure Gold duty free. Shira never been before, but I sometimes I bought some ice cream, Korean ice cream.
Everyone, we're going to Clark Freeport Zone, and we're going to Korean Mart there, and we'll go and show to you the foods there.
It's not foods, it's like Walmart, same like maybe Pure Gold, but Koreans. Traffic here. Take a look. Okay, go, people go. Wednesday we will go to, maybe if I have time, we will go to the Subic Bay, Maroon Bataan Bay, maybe Maroon Bataan, and Barretta, also Barretta, where bars. We will meet with our friend. He already inside in Subic. Yes, near Pure Gold.
So cute. Take a look that guy, even she's midget, he'll go to work.
Yes, he go to work. He not asking money from everyone. It's
Yes. That's why most people appreciate them. They don't even ask money from people. They can work even they're legit. Right?
But I always give money if, for people who I see he need money, not who always ask, because many people who asking money near Walking Street, it's business. It's not for him. He asking money, but he give money, he return money to the boss. Like it's big business. I already know all faces near Walking Street who asking money. This is old Clark airport. This is gate before, but now already another gate. Take a look, it's closed already. And this way to right to New Clark International Airport. Turn right. But we're going to the straight. Straight is duty free. Pure gold duty free. I turn right. Mabalakat gate and new airport. Clark International Airport. Last video you already seen how I walk here. It's right side, it's pure gold duty free. Left side I will park now. It's Korean Mart, G Mart. This is pure gold duty free. And left side, take a look. Korean grocery. Korean grocery G Mart. We will go to buy ice cream. We will show what kind of ice cream better. We can park here. Here park. Shire already dance. This music not allowed on YouTube, Shaira. That's why I cannot long time take video. I will cut moments. This is grocery. This is entrance. Entrance. This parking. So many space here. Good evening. Can I take video? Okay, thank you. Yes, security guard check. Maybe Shaira have something. 24 hours. Take a look. This is 24 hours. No, not need. We only buy ice cream. What you want? Up to you. What you want, you can choose. What you want, Shaira? Okay, you choose what you want. Okay, ice cream. It's also San Miguel, light, beer, so many wines also. No, ice cream another. Come. Banana, how much? 99 peso. Aha. It's good, yes, good. But I don't like now sweet. It's okay. So many ice cream from Korea. I like this one. This is like look like fish. We can open here, 2 pieces. Oh wait, Shaira, different. This is different. We can try because it's different taste maybe.
Then this one also is good. This
Next time, Shaira, next time it's enough today ice cream. Okay, we can pay now. Oh, what is this? For skin.
for face.
For face?
Yes.
Yeah. No, Korean face mask is good. This one, take a look. Korean face mask. It's very popular. You can take this one. Winnie Pooh, Shaira. You can look like Winnie Pooh. You want?
Winnie Pooh, not Winnie Pooh.
Winnie Pooh. Winnie Pooh. Okay, Winnie Pooh. Sorry. I know.
Winnie Pooh.
Okay, Shaira, let's go. Let's go because already dark soon. Yes. Okay. Take a look. 136. Okay. Okay, sign. Okay, thank you. Can Alipay also. Good for Chinese people can pay Alipay. WeChat Pay also. I have WeChat Pay. Take a look. This is pure gold duty free, very close. Thank you. We already near park. What name, Shaira? What name of park?
CDC Park.
CDC Park. It's Clark Playground. We will park. I will show where I can park also here. What is this? Oh, new restaurant, Seafood House. Seafood House, new open. We will park here. I hope have space for park. Have space for park. This is okay for us. It's good place here. It's fresh air. Where? Oh, good view, take a look. Shaira have new phone. She won't take picture. Okay, try. Okay. We sit here and we will try ice cream. Shaira already know, I also know, but my subscribers maybe they don't know what is ice cream.
It is a Korean ice cream.
Yes, Korean ice cream. Very
It's
popular
mango.
ice cream. This is another.
Sandwich. Dessert sandwich.
And
Red beans.
red beans.
And this one is red beans also, but he with nuts.
A
only.
different price or not?
Same only.
Same. 46 peso one. In kimchi restaurant same 50 peso.
Yes,
But
yes.
it's same.
Yes,
For
and
4 peso.
also this drinks.
Mhm.
Pororo.
Oh, I don't know what
I
is
like
this.
this one.
Pororo.
It's good.
Don't know. I never tried it. Okay, I will try. Okay, Shaira, you open this.
What did you say you cannot try it?
I not try it. I not drink this one. Never drink before. It's for children maybe. Don't know.
Oh, so this one.
Try.
Why I need to try?
Okay, I will try. Leon will try to fish face. I don't know. Ice cream.
Because it's red beans I give to you.
Red beans. Another not red beans.
It's nuts with nuts. So give me that one. I will
Okay.
open this one. This one.
Okay. I will eat another. This one. Hold camera.
Oh, so paining. That is the cold.
Little bit different.
What? What's the
Different taste. Ice cream. This is white ice cream. White. This is, I don't know.
with nuts?
Nuts? It's okay. No, take a look. For girls. Beautiful girls. Shaira, take a look. I know people like not only ice cream, how we eat.
Beautiful.
You beautiful, but you always. But take a look. So many people, so many girls also here walk. That's why it's not only ice cream. Need to see, need to show. But ice cream also good. Yeah. Yeah, good picture. This is public CR. This is public CR. Shaira take picture ice cream. Okay. Hi everyone. I want to say about my future video. I already say, but I cannot good explain what I mean. I want to put two camera. I will one camera in backpack. It's like rear camera, and one camera in the front. And the cameras will like synchronization with the same time. Shire about the picture. It is good sunset here. Look, it's nice sunset. That's why if I walk in walking street, not only walking street, everywhere when I walk, I will use two camera. It's better. You can see like 360. Of course, it's not 360 because you need to see one video and another video. If you like first video, you can watch second video from the rear camera. I hope maybe someone like, because if you see interesting moments in the video from front camera, you can see, you can watch later another video same and the same time, and you can see this is interesting moments. Sorry, I cannot good explain in English because you know I am sometimes easy to me explain in Chinese language, but I think I already forgot Chinese soon because I already 10 years in the Philippines. Oh, take a look, this is, wait guys, I will show to you, need to walk. Take a look, it's near fire station. People dancing. I will show now. It's good. I in China every time in the 6-7 p.m. always dancing. Shira playing with new phone. I bought another phone because most of phone broken. So what? Camera good in this phone, Shira? Do you like? Okay, it's good.
You know this one?
Maybe we walk, Shira, a little bit. Exercise.
Exercise, I use some sandals.
Sandals, slowly, you know. Slowly, it's okay. Okay, let's go. I don't want to sit, Shira. I want to walk. I won't move. I want to walk a little bit. What's it? Slowly. You can sit in home. Okay? Take a look. People with family walking. So we'll walk a little bit. It's good sunset here. Oh, it's new. Clark Report Zone.
Metal.
Metal.
Stainless, not metal. Stainless. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.